Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created this smoky eye using the Morphe Boss Mood eyeshadow palette. So if you'd like to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. So I'm first starting off with this shade here and applying that as my transition shade in the crease. Next, taking this brown shade and I'm using that to deepen up the crease. Then taking the black shadow in the palette and I'm placing that in the outer corner, and this also helps by giving the eye some definition. Then blending the black out with the brown that we used before. After that, I'm using the Maybelline Eraser Eye Concealer to carve out the crease so that we have a nice clean base to place the eyelid shade onto. Then taking this neon green shade on a flat brush and I'm placing that on top of the concealer that we just applied on the eyelid. Then going back in with the brown shade on a small detailing brush, and I'm just going round that green shade that we placed just to give it some definition. Then using the NYX Cosmetics Epic Ink eyeliner to create a wing. After that, going in with the black shade and applying it onto the outer corner just to give it that smoky eye effect. Then blending it back out with that brown shade just so there's no harsh lines. And I also applied some lashes, and these are the SOSU lashes in the style New York. Next, using the highlight shade in the palette, and I'm using that on the brow bone and inner corner. To finish off the bottom lash line, I'm taking the brown shade again and smoking it out underneath the lashes. Then taking the black and focusing it as close to the lashes as possible. After that, applying a coat of mascara, and this is the Falsies Drama Lashes from Maybelline. For highlighter today, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlight. And then for lip liner, I'm using the retractable lip liner from NYX Cosmetics, and this is in the shade called Sand Beige. And for lipstick, Revlon kindly sent me out their new range of cushion lip tints, and this one is in the shade called Pretty Kiss. It's a perfect nude shade and it's got a lovely gloss to it once it dries down, and they're so easy to apply and wear lovely on the lips. So you guys, that is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please let me know in the comments below what kind of videos you'd like to see from me, and also give the video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.